get you round of applause. Alright. A pretty picture for the ones that are lost in life. But even dreamers have the power to save a friend. And I know you are afraid that you fail again. You can take it to the...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a clean with me video, and I am sick. That's why we are disinfecting and cleaning the house, because I have been sick this past week and I just kind of want to use some of my new products from Grove Collaborative to disinfect the house because I've been sick. So don't mind my voice, it is a little weird, so I'm not going to talk too much throughout the video, but I do want to explain some things to you. So right now I just started off cleaning in my living room this morning. So what I'm using here is by 7th Generation. It is a disinfectant that kills any kind of cold, viruses, any of those types of germs. And basically all you have to do is spray it. You can totally leave it on any type of surface, even like a kitchen table, or you just kind of let it do its job and leave it there and disinfect. So I'm going to be doing that throughout this video and just kind of disinfecting different areas throughout my house. If you guys are interested in this product or any of the other products I use through this video, I do have a link down below where I get all of my cleaning products from. If you guys can let me know down below, what are some of your favorite cleaning and organizing videos right now? Do you like a lot of music? Do you like a lot more talking? Do you like a specific room? Just stuff like that. I'd love to hear from you guys. I like to ask you guys what you want to see about every 6 months, just because there's a lot of new people, and also just to kind of see what you guys are interested in seeing me do right now. And so go ahead and leave that down below in the comments.
Thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to.
I am putting all my decorations with my room and my blue bed.
Every night and day, I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
So what I like to do when I'm cleaning, and especially when I'm sweeping or dusting, is open up a window in the house. Thankfully, the weather has been amazing here in Arizona this time of year, so I'm able to do that without like it being really, really super hot.
Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing payment on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la.
If you guys are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I do a lot of different cleaning and organizing and decluttering videos. I also offer some family vlogs sometimes. So if you're interested in any of those things, I would love to have you. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And you guys, when you do subscribe, make sure you're hitting that post notification button, because nowadays, even if you subscribe to someone, it's really hard for you to even get their video in your feed. So making sure all of you guys have your post notifications turned on just so you won't miss a video is very helpful. So if you guys are new to my channel, I actually like to hand wash my pots and pans and then throw the rest in the dishwasher. And one thing I like to do to kind of spare or save on water is just to go ahead and fill up the sink with soapy dishwater and then kind of let everything soak in there as I wash the dishes. I just end up using a little bit less water, and I also get an extra like clean or soak out of the dishes to make them a lot easier to clean. So one thing I like to do after I wash the dishes is clean my sink, and then I also like to dry it. So one thing I do during the day is I'll just clean my sink with soapy water or like dish soap or whatever and just scrub it down. And then at the end of the night when I clean my sink, if I get around to my dishes for my cleaning routine, that is when I use something a little bit stronger. And then all of these things that are around my sink are actually from Grove Collaborative, and right now they're offering a really sweet deal that you can actually get one hand soap, dish soap, paper towels, bath tissue, a walnut scrubber sponge, and free shipping and VIP when you spend $39. You also receive a Grove stoneware tray, and I think that's a really awesome deal. I feel like they offer more and more stuff anytime they do these offers, so definitely consider signing up. And if you wanted to cancel your subscription, you can always cancel it. It's super easy. You're not locked into anything. So I always have a link in my description box, and I do have a new link there for this special offer. If you guys are an existing customer, you guys do get one of those free walnut scrubber sponges, and that link is down below also.
We'll still be up, don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, we're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, 'cause we will still be high when the lights out. When the lights out.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. Make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you Love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution.
So right here I'm mopping the floor with the Method wood cleaner, and I do mop the whole house, but the battery was dying so I couldn't record it all. But I just want to show you that this is today's comment of the day, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.